Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making these shrimp tacos with a creamy cilantro sauce. I hope you guys enjoy and thank you guys for joining me today. So we're going to start off with 1 pound of shrimp. I am going to clean them, devein them. I use a knife to devein in because it's so much easier. Once they are all clean, I'm gonna go ahead and season them. So I like using this seasoning for almost everything. So I'll go ahead and add some to my shrimp, some pepper, some salt, some garlic powder, and some red pepper flakes. I'm gonna just go ahead and give that a mix afterward. Then I'm just gonna go heat up my pan, add some butter, and then I'm gonna add my shrimp. Then just make sure that all the shrimp is spread out and they're not overlapping each other. Let it cook from one side and then just flip it over. Remember, shrimp doesn't take that long to cook. And once it's done, it should look something like this. And that is pretty much it for the shrimp. Now we're going to be making a coleslaw. You're going to need about 1.5 cups of green cabbage. And you're going to need 1.5 cups of purple cabbage. Then you need half a jalapeno. You're going to cut that into little squares. Then we're just going to mix everything together. Add the purple cabbage to the green cabbage and also add your jalapenos. Okay, now it's time to make the creamy cilantro sauce. We're going to need 1 cup of sour cream, Next, you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, and it's gonna be minced. You need 1 teaspoon of lime zest. I'm gonna use my grater for this. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And lastly, you need 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Once it's all in the bowl, just go ahead and make sure to mix it. Now we're gonna add half of it to the cabbage mix and the rest for the tacos. Make sure to stir it well, and that should be all for the cabbage mix. Now I'm just gonna heat up my tortilla from both sides. Now it's time to put our taco together. I love these tacos because they're very easy, they're delicious, and simple to make. That's gonna be all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave us a comment down below. Let me know if you're gonna be trying out these tacos.